Hey design freaks, design guru guy here. Wanted to talk a little bit about how important it is to have a website these days. I have a couple myself. Everyone out there has got to have one, whether you're a lifestyle creative, design guru, entrepreneur creative, a web engine maximizer, or a UI specialist. You want to be branding yourself and you want to be getting your name out there, and the website's the best way to do this in this modern age. A lot of people want to go to programmers and developers to get their website up and running to make sure it's cutting edge. You don't need that. You don't even need any basic computer skills as long as you have Illustrator and you watch some of these tutorials. Illustrator actually has great UI interface databases that you can access and start building your customizable website in seconds. Pretty soon you'll be able to have your own website just like me. Start landing those big clients that have been elusive up to now and really bump your game. Alright, so I just opened Illustrator. That's actually something I've been working on for one of my big clients, working on a little corporate identity. I won't say who they are, but they are a juggernaut in the apparel industry. Alright, let's get out of that. Let me show you this though. Okay, website design. This is a search bar I've created. We're going to go ahead and add a search button. This is an important step for all websites. You want them to be able to search the site. Boom, all set. Bump it down a little. So people know to type in here, we're going to have to create a cursor. Now what a cursor looks like is a T and an upside down T. Beautiful. We'll use that cursor so people know this is where you type. So we've already got the foundations of a great website. Now we'll add a background color, something that's easy on the eye, a green gradient. Today we're going for something sleek, something minimal by adding a border. To do that, you want to use your presets. It doesn't matter which border pattern you use, you just want contrasts with your green. That looks great. Perfect. Right beneath your search, you need your website name. Mine's Guru's Art Page. Great. And if you want your homepage to also be a link, you got to make it red or blue. I'll make it red. Looks good. So far, we've only been doing the easy stuff. It's going to get pretty tricky from here on out. If you're saving a website file, you have to make sure to save it with the extension HTML, since you are basically coding. Okay. Yeah, Illustrator often has its own kind of particulars. You just kind of have to do whatever it wants. Yeah. Technically, it's still an HTML document. Okay, moving on. It wouldn't be a bad idea to put something red to mirror the text. Let's bump it up, that's better. Now we've got a little symmetry to play with. Go ahead and add a little more functionality to our website. Now the search region will default to Google if you're operating in HTML. If you want to be able to search other things, like I'm kind of a Bing user myself, then you have to just duplicate this search bar. If you want to use several different search engines, you're going to have to create a few more. My general rule is go for less, try to make it a little more subtle. A lot of design these days is so in your face. I like to just take it back. Simple, sleek, that's the best way to go. So at this point, you're probably thinking there's not much space for more content on our website, which is fine. If you are more into blogs and you want to do a blog style post, really easy. You're just going to grab and just drag, just like that. And now we have tons more space to use if we want to add photos, videos, or some other streamable content. You can keep zooming out and you can actually expand this even more. So if you want a blog that spans maybe a couple days worth of content, that's fine, not a problem. So right here we've got 5 different search bars. That's for 5 different search engines, so 5 times as powerful as just having one. So that's something you want to think about to make it user-friendly. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video. Watch all the other videos and subscribe to them. Stay tuned for more tutorials and more demos. I got a bunch of new ones coming up. I hope you like this video. Comment any questions you have. So just make sure you comment that in this video and hit subscribe.